Hi everyone, and today we are exploring the calendars and calendar templates in Microsoft Excel. If you want to get any template of calendar, just select File, select New, and from New select Calendars. And here is the all templates of calendar. So we are exploring the top selected templates of calendars, and one of them are birthday calendar. Here is birthday calendar. You can change year from this arrows, and once you select the year, the calendar will be changed accordingly. And here you can enter the date, and here you can enter the birthday. I am Haytham El Musallami, and my birthday is 7th of February. So I enter February 7th of February and mention Haytham's El Musallami birthday. So, for example, if you want to enter Smarter Academy birthday, so just write the title here, Smarter Academy birthday. So select the date, and Smarter Academy birthday is 1st of October. Here is write the month, and here is select the day, 1st of October. And when you check the first day of October, you will find the Smarter Academy birthday, and here is. So here is Smarter Academy birthday. Okay, this is about birthday calendar template. Also, you have this awesome template about family event calendars, and this is a template about mentioning and planning the family events for any year you want. Just select year from here, from this arrow. You can select the year you want to mention your family events. After that, write the day and write the event of this day. So, for example, if you want to here mention Smarter Academy birthday, so write Smarter Academy birthday and mention the date is 1st of October 2022. Select the year 2022, and when you check the month from here, from this sheet, you will find that here Smarter Academy birthday 1st of October. Okay, so you have all these sheets as months of the year of 2022. You selected from family calendar here, and this is awesome sheet for mentioning and writing annual event calendars for family. Okay, also academic calendar sheet is an awesome sheet to know any calendar for any year. Just write the year here, write 2051, and here is the calendar of 2051. Okay, write 2080, and here is the calendar of 2080. And also you can change the month from here, like as January, February, March, April. So you can discover any calendar for any year, for any month, by using this sheet. Also, you can write any notes you would like to add here. Okay, any notes you want to add here, just write this notes according to the selected day. Okay, also you can highlight by using highlighting. Okay, This is awesome for mentioning and planning. Also, here is similar day for academic calendar with picture. So you just select the year 2040 and select the month from here, February or January or August. Accordingly, you will discover the calendar of this month for this year. Okay. Also, you can add any notes you would like to write, you would like to mention, and also you will find all months in the same sheet, and this sheet is called calendar. So today we are discovered 4 templates, and 4 templates are for academic writing, for family events mentioning, and for birthday mentioning, and for discover any calendar for any month and any year. Thank you and see you in the next lecture. Just discover these calendars. If you have any question, just contact us. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.